Welcome back to Processing Brains. In this video, we will learn how to install Java JDK 18 on Windows 11. So here I have Windows 11 installed and currently there is no Java JDK installed. To make sure, I would go to search and here go to command prompt and open this up, and if I type in for Java space dash dash version, so basically this command shows up the current version installed. So it says Java is not installed. So I would just go and install Java JDK 18, and for that open up any browser and here open a new tab, type in for Java JDK and hit enter. So open this up, Java downloads, and it says Java 18 and Java 17 are available. And if you go down below, so you can see Java 18 is here. You can always go to Java 17 if you want, and once Java 18 is selected, here go to Windows. Under here download this x64 installer. So here you can see the download has started. In my case I have already downloaded it, so I would cancel this one. And as I have already downloaded, so I would go to my downloads folder, and here you can see I have this one. So just go and open this, click on yes, and here you can see preparing to install. Click on next, click on next. So here you can see the installation has begun. So you need to simply wait for this installer to complete the progress. And here you can see it says Java SE development kit has successfully been installed. Click on close. And now the second thing that you need to do is add path to environment variable. For that you need to go to this PC, go to local disk C, because this is where we installed Java JDK, and here go to program files. Inside here go to Java, so you can see Java here. Inside here go to Java JDK 18.0 that we just installed. Open this up, go to bin. Now here go and click on this, copy this path. Once you have copied this, go to search, type in here for environment. So you can see edit the system environment variables. Open this, and here you can see this setting opens up. Here go and click on environment variables. Once this is here, go to path. So yeah, there are user variables and there are system variables. It's better to add path to the system variables, because then the Java JDK will be available for all users on your computer. So go to path, double click it. Now click on new. Here paste the path you have just copied. Click on OK. Again click on OK. Click on OK. Close the command prompt. And now if I again open the command prompt and here type in for Java dash dash version and hit enter, so you can see we have Java 18 here. So hope by doing so you will be able to install Java JDK 18 on Windows 11. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.